Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, August 26th, and this is my PM recap for the Euro US dollar, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So the Euro dollar did end up making a push up today, but the push up is really not impulsive whatsoever. Makes me really think that maybe we are going to keep on going down. Another clue is for me, this looks like one, two, three waves down, one, two, three waves up. This is a higher high, this is an equal low. Kind of looks like a little bit of an expanding or a regular flat type pattern. Went way to the 38%, made a nice impulsive down. It needs to break this structure to prove it to me. It's okay if you enter before the break of structure, but if you enter and it doesn't break structure but rejects it, I definitely get the heck out. If you enter and then it goes down, breaks structure, then maybe pulls back, that's where you potentially could add to your short position. So to me, it looks like we potentially could get another move down. And this break of structure right here, I think, is really what's going to help confirm that that is true. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.